Today we're going to show you how to use jump leads on your vehicle if you're unlucky enough to come out to your vehicle and find that you have a flat battery. You may find that your vehicle's got a flat battery if you've left your headlights on, if there was a cold snap and your battery's coming towards the end of its life, the interior light, perhaps your toddler's turned that on overnight, that's happened to me. So you would start this process by taking the red jump cable and attaching it to the positive battery terminal on the dead vehicle. You would then take the positive jump lead on the other side, taking it to the donor vehicle and attaching it to the positive battery terminal on that side. You would then take the black jump lead on the other side, attaching it to the negative terminal on the donor vehicle. You would then start that vehicle and then take the black or negative jump lead cable and attach it to the vehicle's engine, ideally on a bare metal component as close to the starter motor as physically possible, as the battery does give a gas off that could be ignited from a spark when you are attaching the negative jump cable. When attaching the jump cables onto the donor vehicle, make sure you hold the positive and negative cables apart at all times. You don't want these two to make contact with one another. Once started, remove the cables in reverse order, removing the black cable from the dead vehicle, removing the black and then red cable from the donor vehicle, and removing the red cable from the dead vehicle in that order. We've now removed the jump leads and the vehicle is running by itself on its own power, and what we're trying to do here is achieve a fast idle. So if the vehicle's cold, it will naturally have a fast idle. While it gets warmer, the RPM may drop slightly, in which case you want to be sat in the vehicle, raising the RPM to between 1000 and 1500 RPM so that we can get the alternator to charge the battery on the dead vehicle. Once the vehicle's charged and it's been running for around 20 minutes, I would then want to turn this particular vehicle off. We're now checking, while we've got the donor vehicle in situ, we've got the jump leads ready to go, should we need them again. We're now checking if this vehicle can restart off of its own battery power. It's better to do it here before travelling somewhere and finding out that the vehicle won't restart on its own power. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and check out more videos on the channel for more how-tos.